Good morning everyone. In this video you're going to learn about Java as an object-oriented programming language. OOPS concepts are similar, either it be in C++ or Java, both are similar to each other. So this video will help you to understand the object-oriented programming concepts. So first of all, if we look into the object-oriented programming concepts, the first is nothing but the objects, classes, inheritance, data encapsulation, data abstraction, and polymorphism. Let's have in detail view of each one of them. To get the understanding of what is an object is, objects exist in real time, whereas classes exist logically. To give the understanding between both of them or relationship between an object and a class, objects are the outcome of a class, or we can say that classes are the blueprints of an object. Objects exist physically and classes exist logically. Example, here you can see there is a person and a person is an object. It has its own behaviors and attributes. Yes, the name of the person, age, gender, occupation. Object will have its own properties and behaviors, right? So in the similar manner, we have the properties of the objects as name, age, gender, and occupation in this example, and the behaviors can be the person is walking, eating, sleeping, working. All those functionalities are nothing but the behaviors of the object. Coming to the data abstraction, let's move on first to the inheritance concept. Inheritance is nothing but where the properties and behaviors from the base class will be inherited into the derived class. Okay, so here we have majorly different types of inheritance in Java that are applicable. Those are single level inheritance, multi-level, and hierarchical. These are the three as similar to your C++ inheritance concept, where class A and class B is there. The detailed topic of the inheritance will again be discussed in the coming videos. Have a look into the description box. Java doesn't support multiple and hybrid inheritance. The reason why you will be seeing in the coming videos. So these are the two inheritance concepts that are not supported in Java. Now coming to the data encapsulation, you can see the view of the capsule over here. Capsule is nothing but in which different types of medicines will be incorporated together to form a complex shell or a complex data. Likewise, a class will be formulated with a combination of methods and variables in it. So this is the reason how the classes will be embedded with the data members and the member functions into it. Likewise, we have the concept of polymorphism. Poly means many, poly and morphism is many forms, right? So this is how the execution of the program in Java will take place, either in the compile time or in the runtime. So we do have different types of compile time executions. One is called as method overloading and the other one is called as operator overloading. For the time being, just understand this. Detailed videos will be coming in future. You can have a look into the description box for the details. And method overriding is a runtime polymorphism. So you can see a small scenario of that Java polymorphism is there is an officer or security guard, we can say. When a visitor is visiting, he will be asking certain details to the visitor. That is, he will be checking certain details like ID card and all. Any officer comes there to visit, so at that time they will be carrying or taking the officer to the department, and if at all any of the departmental head is approaching, then they will be taking them forward to their exact room. So this is how the polymorphism takes place, means and existence of a single person in many forms in different scenarios. So this is how the existence or the working of the OOPS concepts takes place either in the C++ or Java. Hope the explanation is clear and you enjoyed learning. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.